What is up, all you beautiful funnel hackers? In this video, I'm just gonna give you a great overview of everything that we have to offer in Funnel Hacker Labs 2.0. So let's hop right into this. Just give you this overview. Let me share my screen really quick. And over here, as you guys probably know, you probably saw this page already, but what we have available is our 300 plus proven funnel templates. We have our funnel copier tool. We have 1,500 plus advanced infographic templates. We have 30 niche specific customer attraction videos. We have 50 royalty free audio clips and 2K stock photos. So if you hop into the actual membership, if you log in here, you can be greeting with the actual dashboard right over here. And a little video over here, just to welcome you into the group. Couple of things that right off the back that I recommend you guys actually do is actually checking out first, obviously joining our Facebook group. Joining our Facebook group will give you access to our entire team and everybody else. If you have any questions, you just want some advice, anything like that, I would highly recommend it. Asking in the Facebook groups, either me, my team, or some other successful entrepreneur will answer you right away. Next thing we have over here, the actual funnel bonuses. So you can either click start here on the funnel bonuses, or you can click on the left-hand side over there, funnel bonuses. I recommend checking this out and checking out the welcome over here, because what the welcome is going to do is going to show you a couple of videos, we got 5 videos over here. It's going to welcome you and it's going to show you exactly how everything works in Funnel Hacker Labs, the little membership we have over here. Over here, Funnel Hacker Lab, how to download the funnel cloner tool, how to use the extension, and how to model success. And kind of a couple of things over there, how to get your first win as well. Next thing over here is the Funnel Hacker Lab bonuses. Over here, you're gonna have all your infographics. You're going to have over here, you have your infographics, you have your dump view videos, you have your spokesman videos, you have your royalty free music, you have your stock images as well. Everything there just to kind of help you make ads, make your pages, just to bring you success, just to make everything a lot easier for you. But to the point where we're all waiting for, guys, a little drum roll, please, for this 300 plus library of just landing pages in over 60 different niches, guys. We're going to click on funnel library over here. And on the funnel library here, as you're going to see, guys, we have a lot of landing pages, but this is a lot to scroll through. I understand you guys. I got you. So what we did, we recently implemented that we haven't put into Funnel Hacker Labs, the original one. Funnel Hacker Lab 2.0 has the search by category, guys. If you check over here, you have a bunch of different niches. There's an attorney in law. Click on that. You have 2 landing page templates that we have over here, but bam, bam. And guys, are very simple. You click on Clickfunnels. You want to duplicate into your Clickfunnels page, you just press add funnel right there. Very simple. Or if you want to use GohighLevel, you click on this. And you're going to click on this little thing right there, URL screen right there. Or some of them, like for example, you see this one? Some of them actually copy just to make it a lot easier. And all you have to do is you can click on add new steps and GohighLevel. You click this, Command V, test, whatever, confirm, that's yours. And you're gonna paste it right in. It's gonna take a couple of moments, guys, for it to actually download into GohighLevel. Sometimes it's quick, depending on how much content there is, but this is actually pretty quick. But as you can see, guys, I literally just copied it, paste it right into GohighLevel. Just as simple as that, guys. But yeah, last thing that we got available for you guys. So we have the Clickfunnels Copier tool. So if you haven't already, guys, make sure you download this tool. This thing's wonderful. So you go to a site, like let's go to site. Let's look up a Clickfunnels landing page over here. So let's say you're in the dentist niche. You find a landing page that you like. Let's say this one, for example. Guys, if you want a template, if you want to utilize this, you want to model success, you want to model an already successful landing page. Very simple, guys. Let me break this down to you. Open up my Clickfunnels over here. You log into my Clickfunnels account real quick. Go to funnels and we open up a random funnel just so we can test out or anything. Let's go funnels over here. Let's go to one that we just can play around with over here. Let's add another one. And then funnel step, do test, whatever, doesn't really matter right now. And this one over here is, say we like this one, right? It seems pretty cool. Like it, cool. Guys, a couple ways to really quick. You see it's made from Clickfunnels. Obviously it says right there. Sometimes it doesn't always say that. Sometimes it says over here, but it doesn't always say that. What you can also do as well, you can click on this. You can click on inspect. And over here, you can search, see if it's made from Clickfunnels by pressing Command F. I mean Clickfunnels. Bam. Proof right there, ClickFunnels. Now you know it's made from a ClickFunnels landing page. Cool. Now that you know it's made from a ClickFunnels landing page, just go over here, open up a page really quick. Let's edit it. And we're going to take this page, this Richmond Dentist page, and we're going to paste it into our ClickFunnels landing page in literally just 2 steps. Ready? We're going to click on here. Okay. Step 1, open this up. Step 2, copy the funnel. Actually, 3 steps. Step 3, open this up again and paste it. There you go. 3 steps. All right. In 3 steps, as you can see, you can take that landing page and you can paste it right onto here, guys. Super, super, very simple. And now what you got to do is just change this around, rebrand it to your business, guys. Super, super simple, guys. So you're interested, guys, in checking out Funnel Hacker Labs 2.0, guys, where we can join Funnel Hacker Labs and Funnel Copier together to build this amazing software. Click over here. Check out what we got, guys. If you're interested in what it is, if you're interested in the reviews, interested in just logging in, click right from there. Very simple. I want to see all of our little bonuses that we have. Like we said, we have the 300 plus high converting sales funnel templates in over 16 different niches. We have the funnel copier extension, lifetime access with all updates and features. We have the funnel copier library with all previous copies. What we have is the 1500 plus advanced infographic templates. We have 30 niche specific white label videos. We have 100 royalty free audio clips and 2K stock photos. We have a live funnel build out workshop. We have a funnel group, lifetime access to see high converting ads and creators to model your own business. All right, guys, we got that 50% discount. All right, guys. And now what we made, so originally it's actually more than 50, my bad, 75%. Is originally what it was is $497. Now we brought it down to only $67 when you try it out today. So guys, like I said, I highly recommend you check out Funnel Hacker Labs. Click the link down below and check it out, guys. Any questions you might have, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. I'll talk to you guys later and peace out.